My name is Ashton Foley. I'm a junior at NKU and my major is in marketing with a minor in business. My co-op here is with Fetters Construction. My day-to-day really varies from anything being in the office to out in the field, framing, pouring concrete. I'm also in charge of weekly videos here at the office. It's a recap for the week and everything that went on. What I love about this job is that no 2 days are the same. I'm always learning something. My boss always says the day I stop learning is the day I'll die. And I like to live by that. I think it's a really good quote. I chose this job in particular, not because it's construction, but because I know it has a lot of opportunity. I took a couple of classes at NKU that inspired me to get out of my comfort zone and to pursue something that I want to do. So I knew I needed to work to pay off college, and I knew that I wanted to progress in the business world. There aren't many places where you can talk to the owner and CEO of a company. I'd like to own my own business, maybe my own marketing firm. So learning everything I can about what you need to do to be a good businessman and how you need to connect with others so that you have a good network.